Have you ever thought about strange and amazing plants? Get ready for an exciting journey through the top 10 unusual plants. Welcome to our channel, where we make the ordinary into extraordinary. Come with us as we explore the amazing world of plants. Get ready for a quick and exciting tour of some plant species. Let's start our tour of these unique and amazing plant species. At number 10, we visit the deep woods of Madagascar to explore the Bab tree. This tree is often called the upside-down tree because its thick trunk stores water and its branches look like roots pointing towards the sky. You won't forget this sight, as its shape is very unique against the sky. It can survive in very dry periods, showing its strength. Its unique look makes it easy to spot in the green forests of Madagascar. Imagine a special shape against the sky that you will always remember. At number 9, we find the Venus flytrap really interesting. It's a special plant that's not like other, and it comes from the east coast of the United States, especially the warm wetlands. The place it lives helps it eat in a different way. The Venus flytrap mainly eats insects and spiders, which is not common for plants. It has a special trap at the end of its leaf to catch what it eats, which makes it really fascinating. Moving to number 8 on our list, we find the corpse flower or Rafflesia arnoldii. This strange plant is known for its strong bad smell, which is why it's called the corpse flower. It's a type of plant that depends on other plants to live and is found in the green rainforests of Indonesia. Many people say it smells like something that's rotting. This strange smell has turned many people away. Besides its smell, the corpse flower is also famous for being very big. It holds the record for having the largest single flower in the... At number 7, we have the giant water lily, also known as the Victoria amazonica. This amazing plant grows in the Amazon River area, a place full of different types of plants and animals. The giant water lily is a special part of the Amazon, and people who live there or visit find it very interesting. The lilies are very big, with leaves that can grow over 9 feet wide. But what's really surprising is that even though they look weak, they are strong enough to hold a small child without sinking. The old man cactus, or Cephalocerius senilis, comes next at number 6. This unique cactus grows in sunny Mexico. It's different from other cacti as it has white strands on its top, looking like an old man's white hair. This isn't just for show, it helps the cactus hide from animals who might eat it and keeps it warm in the desert. That's why it's called the old man cactus. When people see it, they often think of an old man's white hair. At the middle of our list, at number 5, we find the Titan Arum. This amazing plant comes from the green wildlife-filled rainforests of Indonesia. Indonesia is famous for its many different types of animals and plants, and the Titan Arum is a great example of that. This plant is truly giant, bigger than most other plants around it. One of the things that makes this plant special is how tall it is. But it's not just big. The Titan Arum has another interesting feature. It smells like rotten meat. This strong smell isn't just for show, it has a purpose. It helps to bring in insects that help the plant reproduce. This is a smart way of nature ensuring that the plant continues to grow and spread. At number 4, we have the pitcher plant. It's named after its shape that looks like a pitcher, which helps it catch bugs. People who love plants think it's really cool because of how it looks and acts. You can find this plant all over the world in hot places like Southeast Asia and cold places like North America. Each type of pitcher plant fits perfectly into its home. But the pitcher plant is more than just nice to look at. It eats in a really unique way. Unlike most plants, it doesn't just get food from the sun. It also catches bugs in a deep hole in the middle of it. This hole is filled with a special fluid that can digest bugs. The bug gets trapped in the fluid and is slowly turned into food for the plant. Next up at number 3, we're talking about the ghost orchid. This special plant is rare and hard to find. Most of the time, it lives in Florida, where the weather is hot and humid and lots of different plants grow. You can also find it in Cuba, where the nice warm weather helps a lot of unique plants grow. It also grows in the Bahamas, where there are beautiful beaches and clear blue waters. The ghost orchid gets its name from its white flowers, which look like they're floating in the air. They're a cool and exciting sight if you're lucky enough to see them. At the second spot on our list, we find the amazing dragon blood tree. This tree is special and is found in the Socotra Islands in the Arabian Sea. The tree has a unique shape like an umbrella, which helps it catch misty air that flows over the islands. The tree is named dragon blood because of its red sap, which is similar in color to blood. The people living in Socotra have used this sap for a long time. In the past, they used it as a dye to color clothes in deep red. Now this sap is used as paint for art and as a coat for wooden things to keep them looking good. So the second tree on our list is the dragon blood tree from the Socotra Islands. This tree is known for its red sap, which was used to dye clothes in the past and is used as paint and varnish now. And now for our number one, the weirdest one, the dancing plant, also known as Codariocalyx motorius. This isn't your everyday plant, it comes from the colorful plant world of Asia, and it has something special. What sets it apart from other plants? This amazing plant can move its leaves in a repeating pattern, making it look like it's dancing. Yes, you heard it right. This plant from Asia can move its leaves in a way that looks like a dance. Plants are strange and beautiful. They surprise and inspire us with their variety. Nature has created lots of amazing plants that catch our eye. As we learn more about them, we find interesting types of plants that help us understand more. Each new thing we learn makes us like this wonderful ecosystem even more. These adventures show us how much nature wants to make us happy and interested. The more we learn about these strange plants, the more we love the amazing world of plants around us. If you enjoyed our journey through the bizarre beauties of the plant kingdom, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations. Before we wrap up, we've got an interesting fact to share with you. Did you know that some plants can recognize their siblings? Yes, you heard that right. A study found that plants can identify their kin, leading to some interesting behaviors. Imagine a family reunion, but in a garden. These plants tend to be less competitive when surrounded by their siblings. They don't grow their roots as aggressively, saving their energy for when they really need it. It's like they know when to take a step back and let their family members thrive. Isn't that fascinating? Even in the plant kingdom, family matters. So the next time you see a bunch of plants growing together harmoniously, you might just be witnessing a family get-together. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, even the smallest leaf holds a world of wonders. Until next time, keep exploring.